Hi, welcome to this tutorial, Creating a Joint Venture Master. The objectives of this tutorial are to understand what a joint venture is, understand how to define a joint venture and its hierarchy, create a joint venture master record, and review the hierarchy of the joint venture. A joint venture is a type of partnership between multiple entities where those entities share in the cost and revenue associated with the joint venture. One of the members of the joint venture serves as a managing partner and is responsible for paying the bills, receiving any revenue, and distributing to the other partners in the joint venture. Within JD Edwards Enterprise One, a joint venture is defined by the business units, joint venture parent business units, and/or properties participating in it. Depending upon your business requirements, you can create a very simple single level joint venture or a more complex hierarchy of business units, joint venture parent business units, and/or properties. Before you can create a joint venture master record, you must have defined the structure of the joint venture by completing the following tasks. Set up the participating business units, joint venture parent business units, and/or properties in the system. Then, establish the parent-child relationships of these business units using the joint venture parent business unit field in the business unit master program. This is the business unit master form for a business unit that is participating in the joint venture that we saw earlier. The business unit is under another business unit in the joint venture hierarchy. Now, let's understand how to create a joint venture master record. Access the joint venture master program. The joint venture master includes the name and description of the joint venture, management information, and other attributes. The joint venture business unit that you specify in the joint venture master is the highest level of business units included in the joint venture based upon the hierarchy. This business unit is responsible for the financial transactions of the joint venture, such as distributing expenses and revenue to the partners. For example, if your joint venture includes a single main project with multiple projects and/or sub-projects under it, you must enter the parent business unit in this field. The joint venture company is the company of the joint venture business unit. When invoices, vouchers, or journal entries are created, the managing company will be used on the documents. The managing business unit is the business unit associated with the managing partner of the joint venture. The managing business unit will be on most of the division of interest assignments for the joint venture. The system populates the managing company that is associated with the managing business unit. However, you can choose to assign a different managing company. In the Assign To field, you can enter the address number of the person responsible for the joint venture. This could be the joint venture manager, joint venture accountant, or any other role responsible for the joint venture. The inception date indicates when the joint venture becomes effective. If you select the Calculate Overhead checkbox, the system can calculate the overhead for indirect costs associated with the joint venture. In the Joint Venture Category Codes section of the form, you can set up category codes as required by your organization. Now let's review the hierarchy of the joint venture. Access the Joint Venture Hierarchy program. Enter the name of the joint venture and click Refresh. The joint venture structure is displayed using a hierarchy chart. The first level shows the joint venture information. Swipe to the left of the card to get information about the primary contact. You can click the email link to send an email to your primary contact. The second level shows the joint venture business unit information. Subsequent levels show the additional business units used to define the joint venture structure. As you can see, joint ventures and their structures can be set up as simple or complex based on your business requirements. To learn more about how to define a joint venture and create a joint venture master record, visit the set of task-based tutorials, Creating a Joint Venture in the Learning Path, Creating and Managing Joint Ventures in JD Edwards Enterprise One. You can access the learning path from learnjde.com. Thanks for watching.